The line that people hear frequently, and that maybe we don't think about enough, is that justice delayed is justice denied.
It's incredibly concerning to me that we know what the problem is, we know how to fix it, and we can't seem to make sure that that happens.
The judicial branch does all of its work, processes more and more cases each year, but yet it only accounts for 2.6% of the overall state general fund appropriations. We have to make sure that we fully fund courts to provide access to justice.
The quality of our judges and justices all throughout the system is extremely good. So there's much to be proud of, but there's real work to be done. The cuts in staffing for the judicial branch has left us with a system that is woefully understaffed.
Too many times, a case must be rescheduled because a judge is without some essential staff. One courthouse delay is one too many. This is not how a justice system should operate, and it's not what Iowa litigants should endure.
When you cannot get a matter that is so critical to you that you're bringing it to the court resolved in a timely way, I think it lessens our confidence in the judicial system, and it takes a toll on people.
It's been extremely frustrating for my client. He's been essentially in legal limbo for the last 2 years, waiting for this case to be tried, now the third time. So 2 times we've had to tell him, no, I'm sorry, what we told you was not correct. Your case is going to be tried some other time. And so he kind of loses faith, not only in the system, but he looks at us and wonders, what's going on here? I don't understand this.
It's difficult, I think, for many Iowans to understand that it would take that long to resolve their dispute. And when they ask why, we do tell them bluntly, it's the funding of the courts.
We currently have, right now, a system where clerks' offices are closed 2 afternoons a week. What that means for average Iowans is that a single mother who is relying on her child support check to be able to pay the babysitter or buy groceries goes to the clerk's office, finds that it's closed, isn't able to pick up that check.
We can have the fairest, most qualified, most independent-minded judges in the country, but if the courts literally aren't open, and if they're so overwhelmed, it's kind of an empty gesture.
The legislature needs to step up and understand that Iowans deserve better and that we can do better and we can afford more, and that we deserve the quality judicial system that we all come to expect.
It's not about lawyers, it's not about judges. It's about the citizens of our state, and it should be something that we can take real pride in.
It is clear that Iowans expect government to operate on a full-time, full-service, and efficient manner, including our court system.
Justice Cady is exactly right. His goal is ambitious, and that is he wants to make Iowa's judicial branch and judicial system the best in the nation.
Together, we are the voice for Iowans. We must deliver on that grand vision of our forefathers, that the government they created, that the government they passed to us, will be the government operated by each generation to enrich the lives of Iowans and always make those lives the most prosperous possible.